Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to add due dates to your tasks without clicking through a calendar? Let me show you how Todoist's natural language input makes it instant. To add a due date, just type it when you create the task. For example, submit report tomorrow or call client next Friday. Here are the basic date shortcuts. Type today for the current day, tomorrow for the next day, next Monday for the coming week, or next month for approximately 30 days out. For specific dates, type the month and day, March 15th or December 25th. Both work. Todoist understands many formats. For times, add the time at the end. Meeting at 2 p.m. or call at 9:30 sets both the date and time. To add a date to an existing task, click the task to open it, then click the calendar icon. Pick a date from the pop-up or type your date directly. To remove a due date, click the calendar icon, then click no date at the bottom of the pop-up. The task stays in your project but won't appear in today or upcoming views. Here's a pro tip. Only add due dates to tasks that truly need them. If everything has a date, nothing is truly urgent. Keep most tasks undated and use labels or priorities instead. One limitation on free plan, you can't set due times for recurring tasks on the free version. That's a pro feature, and that's it. With natural language dates, you can add due dates faster than clicking through any calendar. If you use due dates, let me know your most common date shortcut in the comments. See you in the next one.